Distal biceps tendon repair. This patient was 2 weeks out from a distal biceps tendon rupture confirmed by MRI. I've opened up the subcutaneous plane, and beneath the subcutaneous layer I'm going to run my finger in, opening up a pocket. I'm going to milk the distal biceps muscle to deliver the stump of the distal biceps tendon into the wound. As you can see here, I'm going to grab this with an Alice clamp temporarily. I'm going to trim off some of the dilated end that will allow us to place this within the hole of the proximal radius that we make in just a little bit. Now I'm going to look at the footprint near the radial tuberosity and the proximal radius. I'm elevating soft tissue from this area. I'm going to place the Arthrex guide pin and now I'm going to ream a hole in the proximal radius just through the inner cortex. Now I'm going to place the fiber wire suture, looping this over the Alice clamp. Beginning approximately about 2.5 centimeters from the end of the distal biceps tendon. Then we'll do the same, running suture, looping this over the clamp on each pass. And then a final locking suture placement out the tip of the tendon. I'm going to release the clamp, and there we have our tendon ready to place. Now we're placing our button with the help of this tendon passer. Place one limb first through the button, and then the same thing for the other limb of the suture. Now we're going to place the button through the hole where the guide pin was, through the outer cortex of the proximal radius. I'm going to pull the sutures, sliding the tendon into the hole. You can see the biceps tendon starting to pull down. There we go. Now I'll place this interference screw over one limb of the suture. And you can see as I'm releasing the driver from the screw, and I'll tie both limbs together over the screw. And looking at the position of the tendon with supination and pronation. And finally, I'll take a scalpel to cut this robust suture with. This is final X-ray showing the button on the back side of the radius.